One step forward, two steps.
Good morning, you guys. Happy Friday. Happy Friday, you guys. It's 7:46 right now. On my way going at Walmart, and I have my first order, you guys. $22. It's going 3 miles, and it's only 2 drop off. So let's go pick it up. Oh, you guys, hold on. Yay! We have 1,000 subscribers! Thank you guys so much. Without you guys, I wouldn't be here, you know? Thank you for your support. Thank you, you guys. Yo, they just canceled my order, y'all. They just canceled my order. Wow. So anyway, I just received the new order. $11. It's a shopping order, and I'm going to shop for only 2 items. So let's go shop this order. $11 going 2 miles. Let's go. Hello. Oh, hello. Yo, so I just had a call right now, like 1 second ago. A customer called me saying that she saw a notification that her groceries was delivered, but it's not delivered. I was like, I haven't delivered nothing today. And I was thinking, like, is it the order that they just canceled or what? In my mind, I was thinking. I said, ma'am, call support or call Walmart and ask them, because I haven't delivered nothing today. So, yo, I don't understand. Anyway, let's go shop this order.
One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all, because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, me? Show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, me? Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even
Just received our second order, $17 going, I think 2 miles. And I'm only going to shop for 7 items. Ooh, this cart is making a lot of noise, y'all.
do you even worry?
Too much noise.
Love somebody else. So you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself. What's it gonna take for you to love, me? What's it gonna take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, me? Yeah. backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah.
I received another order, you guys. $19 going 4.5 Mayo, and it's a shopping order, and I'm going to shop for 10 items. So I'm liking these orders, you guys. High money with low stuff to shop. That's good. That's good, yo. I love when they give me good money with low items to shop. Like, it puts you in a mood to keep working. Like, it gives you more. Let's go shop this order.
Yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep. It's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show?
Yo, this was easy to shop, so let's go deliver it. It's only 8 minutes, so let's go. Okay, I hope it's not going where I'm going to deliver. Oh Lord, help me. Oh Lord, help me. Yo, it's following the car, yo. It's following the car. There it is, y'all. I'm waiting for me to get out. I'm not getting out. I'm telling you, I'm not getting out. I'm not getting out until that dog is gone. Somebody in the comments say, why do I scare of the dogs too much? Yo, I don't know, but dogs are my worst fear, yo. I don't know if I go, I don't know. It just looks like it's ready to eat somebody. Yeah, please go so I can deliver. Please go. Alright, yeah, it's gone. Let me get out. And I'm gonna be so quick. I just realized that I'm at the wrong house. That dog confused me, y'all. I'm at the wrong house. Let's take everything back. Phew. Let's go there. Oh my God. Actually, I'm going to deliver where the dogs went. So at this point, I don't know if the dogs went inside. I don't know, y'all. Supposed to deliver on 49, 47, and where I went was 49, 27. Thank God I called it up. Okay, so I'm gonna leave my door open, y'all. I'm gonna leave my car door open unless, because I don't want to see the dog. When I see the dog, boom, I run inside the car. Let's go deliver. Yo, I'm safe. I am safe. I think the dog went inside in the house where I just delivered. I think that was the dog. Cause the hurry. Ooh. Anyway, let's go back. It's right now. It's 10:05. 10:05. So far, I'm getting orders each hour. That's the good sign that today is going to be a great day, because I'm getting order every hour. So that is super good. So let's go back and get some more shopping orders, pickup orders. I don't mind. I don't care. All I care about, it gotta be a good order. Gotta be a high paying order. Alright, let's go, y'all. Yo, it is 10:37 right now. 10:37, and I just received one of the big order, but I have to shop a lot of items. I think this order is going to take me time, y'all. $52, and I have to go shop for 53 items. So no, 58 items. It's not bad. It paid good. I don't care if I spend 2 hours in a store. As long as my gas is still where I left it at, that's fine. Because the money is good, so let's go shop. But I hope everything that I'm going to shop, it's going to fit in one cart. Because I hate when I go shop like a big order and have to take like 2 carts, 3 carts. Ooh, it happened to me once, y'all. It happened to me once and I hated it. Because when coming outside, you're gonna come, bring 1 cart, load it up, go back inside, get another one. It's annoying. It's annoying. So I hope everything is going to fit in one cart. Shopping cart. So let's go shop this order. And if I'm done with this order, I'm going to have $99. So far so good. I can smell my 200 today. Let's make over 200 today. Over 200. Let's go. Yo, this is what I say about getting second cart. Look what I'm coming to get. This one. Look what's in there so far. So I need to work in here. Let me see what I can do so this thing can fit in there, because I'm not going to get a second cart. I checked everything that's remaining. It's only food. So it's only food. So fridge thing that's remaining, I have like 30 items, y'all. 30 items that's left. So you better fit up on this space here. 30 items, and I have this space, and down there you have water. All right, let's go. It took me 40 minutes to shop this order. 40 good minutes. Oh, it's heavy. Let's go deliver this order. It took me 5 minutes to pack everything in the bags. Right now it's 11:45, and I started this order around 10:40.
I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love me? Yeah.
Shopping order, $15, going 5 miles, and I'm only going to shop for 4 items. 4 items, yeah. Just received another order, you guys. $16. $16 going 4 miles, and I'm only going to shop for 13 items. Let's go. You guys, it's going so good. So before my last order, I have took 2 orders, you guys, and I just received another one. $38. It's a lot of money. $38 is going 10 miles, and it's only 2 pickups. So I am waiting for them to bring it out, yeah. Oh no, where's my vaseline? Oh, it fell down. I am waiting for them to bring it out. Yo, it is, let me see what time is it right now. It's 3:51 right now. 3:51, and if I add this order right now that I have, I'm on 191, and it's only 3. So far so good. So far so good. The day is going so beautifully. I thank God. Yo, it's been 20 minutes waiting for the order, but I'm gonna stay waiting for it because the order paid good. $38, you guys. But it just shows that it's ready, so I think they're about to bring it out anytime. Let's just keep waiting. Got another order, you guys. Just received another order. $27 going 11 mile for 3 drop-off. Let's go. Yo, it's 7 p.m. right now, and I decided to stop right here. I am on my way going at home, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like or if you enjoy watching this kind of content and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. If you work today, y'all, tell me how was your area today. Was it busy? Was it slow? Because my area today was busy. I was getting orders back to back, y'all. I was getting order back to back. Let me know down in the comment below. Let me know how was your area today. Anyway, you guys, I love you so much. Thank you for following me. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you, guys. I'll see you on Monday. Bye bye.